If you're like me and you love PLR, you always wonder what's a good niche to go into to help people with the PLR, create some products with the PLR, and how to make money with PLR. I'll show you what I suggest you should do right now. The way the world is right now, this is perfect for you and your audience. Hi, I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. Many times on this channel, I talk about PLR.me. And I love this site because it has so much stuff that you can use to help other people, to help yourself, because the products are really amazing, and how to make products out of them and make money with this PLR. Now for you, I have a link in the description below this video where you can get 10 free credits for the PLR.me products. So click on that, log in, you'll get your 10 free credits, and I'll show you what you can do with this. So right now, the world is crazy right now. You know what's going on in the world. And people are really nervous. They're anxious. They don't know what to do. They're scared. And they need your help. And they need your products. So PLR.me has a lot of products that you can use. And I like this one right here, the Anxiety Handbook. So let's take a look at this. Now, the nice thing is this is for 10 credits. PLR.me uses a credit system, which is great. And quickly about credits, this is what they are. You purchase the credits and you use them, and when you run out, you get more. So you don't have to keep paying every single month. You only pay as you go, pretty much. And this is a great way of getting great PLR. So back to the Anxiety Handbook. It's a book. You could brand it as your own, give it away. You could sell it, repurpose it. You keep all of the profits and you put your name on it. You could change it any way you want. It's PLR. The nice thing is it's small, 33 pages, and you can create a product. You could turn it into an audio. You can make a video out of it and turn it to a small course and help a lot of people and make money in the process. So what would this cost you? Nothing. When you click on that link in the description, get to this site and you will get 10 free credits. And because this is 10 credits, it'll be free for you. Not bad. Try it out. Do it. Download it and it's yours. PLR.me also uses bundles. They use more credits, but you get a lot. So look at this Anxiety, Depression, and Panic Attacks bundle. You get 98 products. If you can't find something in there, I don't know what to tell you. Let's look at this. So this is 98 products done for you, brandable resources. I love it. Look at this. Articles and blog posts, affirmations, reports and ebooks, worksheets, checklists, action guides, all this stuff, quizzes, fact sheets, and more. Really, if you can't make money from this and help other people at the same time, look at all the stuff you get. And this is just the articles and blog posts. This is what comes with it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Affirmations, worksheets. Look at all this. And if you want to search around, and when you go down here, there's Anxiety, Depression, and Panic Attacks, and this is what you have. They have 158 products so far. Look at all this. This is one credit, and you can add them to this Anxiety Handbook. An action guide, 2 credits, virtually free. Understanding social anxiety. You see how you can really turn this into a real product to help people, and you'll have products that you can sell and make money with PLR. It's that easy. Click on that link in the description. Get into plr.me. You'll get the 10 free credits when you use that link for me, and create your own products. Put your name on it. It's plr.me. It's really one of the best. I use it all the time. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.